beard dandruff. Hey everyone, okay, so today is 5, actually it's 6, almost perfect concealers. Almost, because nothing's perfect, apart from you. So let's make a start and I'll tell you my favourite ones, and I'll leave the 6th to the last because it's delicious. So let's start with a brand new one. This is so wonderful. It is Laura Mercier, and it is their new concealer called Flawless Fusion. It is a ultra long wear concealer. So, emollient, beautiful finish. It's not matte, it's radiant finish to it, and is absolutely appropriate for everyone. It is so beautiful. It's creamy and it's just heavenly. That shade, by the way, is 3C, but it reflects the light so exquisitely, so it's wonderful. An oldie but a goodie, like me. This is NARS, and obviously it's Radiant Creamy Foundation. If you haven't tried this, you really should. Now bear in mind that this is, I wouldn't say it's a radiant finish, it's more of a demi-matte finish. I've put it here as a comparison, and there it is. And you can see, I think, more light reflection. It's back to front in the monitor. You can see more light reflection from the Laura Mercier, but it is hands down the concealer I have used for what, 4+ years now. It is amazing. Another really good one, an emollient again. This is Born This Way concealer. Emollient, beautiful, especially if you're a little bit older, which is the same with the Laura Mercier one. It's just a bit more forgiving underneath the eyes. There it is. So you can see it, it's the one on the end near the knuckle. But they just reflect light really beautifully. And for a lot of people, they don't want to set lots and lots of concealer with powder, so it's great. Now, everyone needs a corrector, and this is one of my favorites. It is the new Bobbi Brown, and it is the Intensive Serum Skin Corrector. Once again, good for, just spilt this on my trousers. We're not amused. This is in light bisque, and it is so beautiful. I love, where is it? There it is. There. I love correctors. I think correctors are so beautiful. If you only need a little bit of concealer under the eyes, get a corrector. That'll do you just fine. It's so beautiful, that formula. And Charlotte Tilbury, which is the Retoucher. This is a great one. I'm going to swatch this across the top. This again has a more demi-matte finish once it's set. Can you even see? There it is. It has a more demi-matte finish to it, but it's great. And what's good about it is you can use it all over your face if you want to. Now, if you're going to be using concealer instead of foundation, as I did in a previous video, Charlotte Tilbury works, Laura Mercier works, and the NARS work really well for that. And the final one, and this is so good, but this is a concealer that really is just, I think, just for your inner corner, just the inner kind of here, because this area right here doesn't seem to wrinkle the same way that underneath all of this does. So this bit stays pretty line free. So it's by Becca, and there are 2 shades, so let me show you them. So the first one is light to medium, and here it is. So I'm actually wearing this right on the inner tear duct. So I'm actually a bit far away from the camera. I'm sure someone will comment on it. And the next one is medium to deep. And this has a more orange undertone, but both of them are, I would say, biscuity kind of shades. But they are truly beautiful. They are incredibly thick. It's a really peculiar product. It's thick and it's emollient, but it is so beautifully uplifting on the inner corners of the eyes, and just in the sort of trough sort of area here. It's so bloody beautiful. It really is. And that is my 6 almost perfect concealers. Now, for those of you wondering which one of these doesn't crease, well, they all crease, because concealers crease. The moment you take it anywhere near here, it's going to crease because you're moving your face, and that causes things to crease. What can you do? What can you do? If you know, let me know. But you can do the sandbagging technique. I've mentioned it before. Video down there in the comment section. All of the links are in there as well. And bear in mind that there is a dupe for the NARS. Actually, do you know what? It really is the Born This Way one, but the NARS as well. And it's the Maybelline Fit Me. And again, all that jazz is down there. So there you go, you gorgeous crowd. That is 5, 6 almost perfect concealers. See you soon. Bye-bye.